A lot of people are really happy right now. But the question is, are we willing to see what's ahead? Because if you knew what's ahead, I'll be and you'll be buying anything that we can right now. What is going on, everybody? And welcome. We're waking up with some awesome breaking update, which most of the altcoins and Bitcoin, they're rallying. They're seeing the green left and right. And we've been saying it. We've been saying it that maybe in the short term, it's weird, it's confusing, and it's, collapsing corrections as we saw, but long term, guys, we're 68 days away from the Bitcoin halving. We are seeing that Bitcoin and crypto are getting attention left and right anywhere here in the US and abroad. And why in the world we're not jumping on the ship and on the train and trying to send it to the moon, guys? That's what I'm trying to do. And I'm happy to tell you that my positions, man, we're looking sexy, bro, and I'm more than happy to share with you that I'm now 4 point something percent above my Ethereum, 6% above in my Solana, 3 in Bitcoin, and about 1 in Quant. And I'm waiting some other positions. DeFi is also doing well with green. And Watcher Guru said just in 45,000, guys. 45,000 is a price that we haven't seen in 2 months. Just to give you an idea that it's been 60 days of weird consolidation, whatever. But now, do I believe we are getting ready for something about $47,000? Of course. Now, we obviously wanted to see 38,000, 35,000, 36,000 Bitcoin. Where is it now? Where is it? I don't see it. Can we have some corrections? Can we have some sell offs? Of course. The thing is that I don't know when the world is gonna happen in an hour from now. Like nobody knows. It's just speculation. But one of the things I've been clear is when you open up in the macro, when you see the macro, man, there's no doubt that it's all making sense. We are approaching that 50,000 Bitcoin, which is nothing, nothing. Minimum Bitcoin is going to pass its all time high, and $100,000 Bitcoin should be arriving, guys, 2024, early 2025. So $150,000 Bitcoin, guys, $150,000 Bitcoin. That is a huge level to achieve this rally, this bull market, because it is not that difficult. It is not that difficult. With everything that Bitcoin is, I have more than enough confidence to say that Bitcoin is just going to do an absolute crazy rally. You don't want to miss it. That's why you have to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel, turn on those notification bells. Oscar Ramos in the house. Take a look at the links down below. Get up to $5,000 a minutes. I'll bring more opportunities so you guys can also make some money as well. Join. At the end of the day, we're here for the long term. That is the key. I may get some wrong calls, right, in the short term because, like I say, it's very difficult to predict. But in the short, in the long term, we are doing really, really nice. Now, let's see what's happening with the price right now. I'm gonna go ahead and clear everything. And just to give you an idea, this is my rectangle of consolidation since the beginning of December. Can you believe it? It's been December, January, now starting February. So 2+ months. Now, finally, we're breaking free the 45,000. Now we are spearheading to 46, 47. I do believe so, guys. This is something that finally Bitcoin is saying, okay, it's time. Breaking. There's no play around. There's no playing around. Now it's time for us to continue. Now, we go back to 2022, 2021, which this is the level. I mean, just to give you an idea, it's like inverse. This, but inverse, it's this. Like this was the bull market. This is the bear market and all the garbage that we have to go through. Finally, when Bitcoin really starts pushing, I mean, from $25,000 here, took us a while. Like this was all 2023, the end, and then finally December came, and then this is going to be 2024, and now we're trying to push a little bit higher. So I am one of those who believes that we're we can easily see that 40 $48,000 Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is pushing, by the way. Let's go ahead closer. Like we can see it, not a problem. And the beautiful thing is that people are buying. And here on Watch a Guru, like MicroStrategy buying a 850 Bitcoin. Like we talked about it yesterday. Look at this guy. Like they're buying, man. And I don't want to fall behind. That's the reality. I don't want to fall behind. If I need to buy and hold for longer, but at least I'm in the game, this is what it looks like. This is just one of my trading portfolios. People are saying, what about Tectonic? What about VVS? What about other ones? That's just one of my positions, right? I don't have all my crypto there, but I'm more than willing and able to share with you that position in trading because once this is making me a lot of money, I'll cash out and I'll keep repeating once again and again. Because here's the deal. If I show you the 1 day right now, and I open up the Bollinger Bands, right? Or I open my RSI. Here it is. RSI, here it is. You know what the crazy thing is? You know what the crazy thing is? We are not overbought. We are not at a level that we are extremely in bubble territory for this short term swing. If I go to the weekly, which the weekly is, I think, one that's even better, right? We're not even at the point of 49, which is the top level of the Bollinger Band candle, Bollinger Band indicator. And we're in the RSI. We're close to the top here on the RSI. If I go to 1 day, we're nowhere even close to the top here, and we are already touching the top of the Bollinger Bands. If I go to the 4 hours, we're already seeing ourselves overbought. But where Bitcoin, I like to trade it for long-term purposes, is the weekly, and we can reach $49,000 right now. Everybody, get ready because at that level, people might start cashing out a little bit. 49. If we break to $50,000, which is gonna be a first one in a while, that's a good indicator for me to be, let's push out, let's wait for the retracement, and boom. Now, can it continue going higher? Of course, it's Bitcoin. It does what it wants. It does what it wants. But I just wanted to let you know how the opportunities are coming out. And you better be ready. $45,400. We're looking really good. I'm very, very happy. Make sure you smash the like button and let everybody know, even Cronos and everything and all the good tokens that we talked about, everybody. They're all making sense. People are happy. People are posting. Look at this. Look at this nice 1.73 trillion. Yes. So we were waiting for something like this. We are finally seeing it. Let's go ahead and enjoy it and continue the education. Like I always say, the reason why I'm making money on BigX right now is because I bought when it was red. Anyone can buy right now. Anybody. Oh, it's green. Yay. Let's buy. So easy. But it's not so easy when people are saying FUD, sell, crash, scam, get away. That's not easy. That's when people hold up, run. That's what I like to come in because days like this come all the time. Long term, this is our destiny. That's why I'm making money because I buy the blood on the streets, the fear. Think about that. Peace.